Welcome to Epexi Vlogs. It's my first video in Lapland. Welcome to Saariselkä. Lais! Meinas ajaa mettää, lekkeri.
Eppu hakkaa Ahopään rinteeseen.
Kiilopää kohtelee hyvin, mennään avantoon. Mulla on selfie, ei mulla selfie video päällä. Tässä jengissä pitää olla kunnolla. It's freezing. Welcome to Lapland. Epexi Vlogs. TTK. It's following me. It's freeze.
Nyt tavallaan se, että mulla on joskus tuli vuosia sitten sellainen tilanne.
It's cold. Go to sauna. It's good feeling. Shower time is now. Shower time. Go shower. It's good feeling ending the bike and dinner to be in the Google. I appreciate that Google workers. This is a dress room. I need shampoo. It's overtime. This is good for the content. Thank you watching. Kuusamo boys say, Kuusamo kiittää. Thank you watching. See you next time. These experiences, this is very good. It's my first time. This is place. It's Finnish latu. It's meaning Suomen latu, Finnish saying. And this is headquarter is Finnish latu. It's a skiing and ice swimming corporation. It's a free job. I appreciate that people if working here. Trying this and reservation in the suomenlatu.fi. I don't know, in the Google. I go car and go sleep and nice dinner and go tomorrow Sunday. Is now Saturday to Sodankylästä from Rovaniemi bus and Rovaniemi from Oulu train. Thank you.